Hey girl, welcome back to another nail tutorial. This tutorial is going to be on my birthday set. It is a very brief and short one because I did lose a lot of footage, but I'm going to show y'all how I got these perfect, beautiful C-curve birthday nails. Stay tuned. Alright, so I just have to show y'all this little vacuum that I got from Amazon. It's perfect for if you do nails because it sucks up all of the dust that's left behind, especially if you don't want to buy a desktop vacuum. I'm going to start with my drill bit just by doing some prep work. I do have a nail prep one-on-one video that I'll leave across the screen, but this is just what I like to do to clean up my cuticles, as you all know. And after all of my prep work was complete, I went ahead and measured the nail tips to my fingers and applied the tips, blended them in with my drill. I don't know what happened to the footage, I'm so sorry, but I blended it in with my drill. It's nothing that I don't do on my other videos. So if you want to see that, just go back and watch one of my nail videos. I'll list my playlist in the description or across the screen. So I went ahead and did that, and I started to apply my Valentino acrylic and bare me to the tips of the nails, and then
Can't help the way that I'm feeling when I'm with you. You are weighing me down. And if the rhythm is making me no good, I just don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out of my face? I can't grow, I can't lose, so get out of my face. Or would you give me some air? Try to be more aware of what I need. You don't know what I need. Inside.
Alright guys, so this is the final acrylic application before any cleanup, any shaping, any filing. So I'm going to go ahead and start that process now. You already know that I'm going to use my Beauty Secrets nail file and get everything in shape. So I went ahead and got that finished. Now I'm going to go in with some butterfly and flower kind of foils. I'm only going to do the 2 middle fingers, a full kind of like a tip on one finger and then a half tip on the other middle finger, and I'm just gonna do that process on both hands. Alright, so after I went ahead and applied the foils, this is what it looks like. Really pretty, dainty, really girly, really fresh. I love the way these looked. I wanted something that's a little more on the subtle side. I went ahead and added some stones. Of course, I used my D&D clear coat, which is more footage that I lost. But this is the final nails. I think these are so pretty. I really, really love this set. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.